First push up the 4 screws on the mold. And then put the mold back slowly and horizontally. It must be horizontal and slow. Screw back the screws at both sides. Each side of the 9 screws should be tightened and locked. There are 3 internal screws need to be locked back. Firstly, the cutting screw. And then with the help of external forces to lock the screws of web notch. The screws of the service hole, and then take away the steel sheeting inlet roller. And then take away the wheel inlet of the iron sheet. After those screws are locked, tighten the screws on both sides.